how to make your first $1,000 on Clickbank tutorial for beginners. Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson, and in this video, if you are a complete beginner and you are looking to earn your very first $1,000 with Clickbank, in this video I am going to show you exact steps that you need to do. This is for complete beginners, but this video is going to take it a step ahead. So that way you know how to find the correct products, then find the products that you should avoid promoting, how you can then drive traffic to these products, and then I'm also going to show you the best tools to use. Okay, so this video is going to take it a step further than your basic Clickbank tutorial. I'm really going to go in depth on how you can make your first $1,000 on Clickbank complete tutorial for beginners. Now, while this is a great method, this is just going to show you how to get your first $1,000 online. If you're really looking to start a full-time online business, exactly what I'm doing to build a $10,000 a month business, then go down in the description below and then go ahead and click that first link. That is everything that I'm doing to build a sustainable full-time income from home. And that teaches you everything from basically how to build out a funnel, capture emails, email follow-up sequence, and how to really build an affiliate marketing business with affiliate stacking ecosystem, which basically, you're going to be making money completely passively. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump in this video on how you can make your first 1,000. And let's jump onto this and get over to my computer here. So here we are on Clickbank. For those of you that are on this video, I'm sure you already know what this is. If you don't, here is Clickbank right here. And the great thing about Clickbank is that they have tons and tons of products to promote. And the nice thing is that all you have to do is go and sign up for a Clickbank account, and then you can just go find products that you want to promote. You get the link, and then you can start promoting. The issue is with that, though, is that there are a bunch of really poor, low quality products on Clickbank. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 on Clickbank with the correct products and how to find those good products. But for those of you who don't know what Clickbank is, they've been around for over 20 years and they have paid out over $4 billion in commissions, which is absolutely insane. So you know that this is a good website to go and find products to promote. So first things first, if you haven't already, go ahead and get signed up. Once you get signed up, what I've noticed is most videos don't show this. You are going to log into a page that looks like this. All you need to do is go down here whenever you create an account, go to your account nickname, and then just click right here, which is then going to bring you to the Clickbank page, which is probably what you see. Now, this is a brand new page that I just started for this demonstration purpose. Once you get to here, this is where you're going to see all the sales that you are soon to make to get to your first $1,000 with Clickbank. But once you get here, what you're going to need to do is go right up here to Marketplace. Go ahead and click that, and then it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, at first glance, Clickbank's a little weird and it kind of looks like a really basic, bland website. You also get intimidated by all these categories. Now, in order to find products, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go up here and click this little search icon right here. And now this is going to give you all the products by rank. Now, here's the first advanced step. If you are just getting started with Clickbank, go ahead and sort by results right here. Go ahead and change that to gravity. Essentially what gravity is the amount of other affiliates that have successfully sold the product. So if we look at the very top product right here, and then you will see the gravity score right here, which on this one, it is 429. I don't know why they have all that other stuff, but you'll see a little period. The number right here is 429. So there is 429 other people that have successfully sold this product. Now, if you're just getting started out, that is way too high of a number. That is way too many people that is selling a product. The issue is most newbies come into Clickbank and they just say, oh, well, this has got to be the best product. So they go over here, they click promote. generate hop link, they get their affiliate link, and then they go and then they just start spamming it all over the place, hoping to get a sale, which I'm telling you, that method does not work, never will work. Just please, just for your sake and everybody else's sake, do not do that, because honestly, it's just not going to happen. So the next advanced step that you need to do, what I highly suggest, is you go over here to date added to marketplace. So these are when the products were added to Clickbank. And if you take this and you go ahead and scale this down, so today's September 18th of 2021, I'm going to scale it down to July 18th of 2021 to obviously present date. And as you can see, the list of products goes down greatly, because what we want to do is we want to find products that are new, that are fresh, that not a whole lot of people are promoting and that are having a ton of, like, we want people that are having, we want a product that is having success, but we don't want that's overly saturated. So as you can see, after we did that, the top product is this one right here with a gravity score of 82. Now that's getting much better for a beginner, but I would still say that's a little too high. So the next thing I would say to do is over here on filters, go to gravity. Once you go there, I would recommend finding a product that has a score between 20 and probably around 70. Now, what you can do is you can go through these products and you know that they are within the range. It means it's a new product and it has a good gravity score that you're looking for. You know, a number of people that have sold the product, that have seen results, that are doing well, but it's not overly saturated. There isn't a ton of people that have put blogs out about it, YouTube videos about it. You know, they try to rank on every single form on the internet, you know. So these are the products that you are going to want to go after. Now, what I would recommend if you are a beginner is go through each and every one of these products. Try to find a product that you know something about, a category that you know about. So as you'll see down here, these are going to be the categories right here on this line, this little box right here. This is where you're going to see the categories. Same thing right here, health and fitness, etc., etc. Okay. You want to find something that you know a lot about, that you're passionate about, that you can post about on the internet. So that's going to be method number one of finding a product on Clickbank. But I want to go ahead and show you another amazing tool that I've recently come across, and it's called CBSnooper. Now, what this is going to show you is all the different Clickbank products, and the main thing we're going to be looking for is the top 5 rising products. We don't want products that aren't doing well. We want products that are rising, ones that are kind of hidden gems within Clickbank. So all you have to do is go over here to the top rising products, click that, and then what you're going to find is a list of all the products that are on the rise. And basically how it is sorted is by gravity. So basically, if you look at this first one, within a certain amount of time period, there's been 11 new affiliates that have made a sale with this product. And it goes down the list and it goes down to least, obviously. So up here, up within this range is kind of what we're looking for. If you find a product on here that you like or that you know about or that you seem interested in purchasing or promoting, is what I mean, then I would highly recommend going for this, because that means that these products are, you know, they're on the rise, they're gaining more popularity, people are doing better with these products. So that is the second method on how to find products. Now I want to show one more method on how you can do this, and I recommend going to what's called Muncheye.com. Go there, kind of a weird name, but this is going to show a list of products that are soon to be launched, okay? And once you get over here, you know, they show a bunch of products that are soon to be launched on JV, Warriors, Warrior Plus, but every once in a while you'll find one like this that is going to be promoted on Clickbank. This is the Clickbank emblem. Let's see if we can scroll down. Here's another one right here. Let's see if we can find another one. Here's a different affiliate site. I'm not sure which one that is, but go through and there's not a whole lot up and coming in Clickbank, But as you can see, that is what you're looking for, is ClickBank type products. Now I went ahead before this video and I looked up this one right here. So on October 26th, a little over a month from now, this product is going to be launching on ClickBank. Now, once you do that, what you're going to want to do is going to visit sales page. Now with Muncheye, I'm not sure what this is, but basically just scroll to the very bottom and just click no thanks. I just want to proceed to the loci cycle, the sales page. So this is the product sales page. And with this product, it's a really expensive product, like $2,000, $3,000 product, and you make 50% commissions off of this product. Now, what you can do with this method, after you've gone and you found a product on Muncheye, what you're going to want to do is basically just go to Google and then type in that product. So this one's called the low-key cycle. And then after you do that, just put in review. Go ahead and do a quick Google search. And what we're going to be trying to do is we are going to want to rank just kind of like this video right here. Okay, as you can see, this one was added on September 3rd, which is about 2 weeks ago. But there are so many ways that you can get your video posted on YouTube. Go ahead and make a review. If you actually go over to YouTube and you type in the loci cycle review, as you can see, there's a bunch of videos, and primarily all these videos are doing is just basically going through this sales page, talking about the product, and that's exactly what you can do. You don't even have to show your face while doing this. You can just do a screen recording. But as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, a total of 11 videos on this. So if you go and you make a video right now for this, and you make a quality video and you do well with your YouTube SEO, you know, you're getting everything optimized to rank. If you go ahead and get a video out on this topic as soon as possible, you have the potential to rank. And if this product becomes popular and a bunch of affiliates start selling it, and you've made a YouTube video that ranks very well on YouTube, you have the potential to make huge amount of earnings with this. Now, I want to show you real quick. If you do decide to go that method with building a YouTube video, basically what it's called is it's called the launch jacking. So basically from Muncheye, the website we're on, where you can see all the products that are soon to launch, you know, you go and you make a video of it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this little tip, and you're going to go and you're going to add backlinks to your YouTube video, which what that's going to do, that's not going to help you rank on YouTube, but what it's going to do is it's going to help you rank on Google, because Google likes to see authority. They like to see that your video is being posted on other websites. So simply you can just go to Fiverr, purchase this, and they will promote your YouTube video on a bunch of other websites, which Google will see that as something good. They'll see that your video is popular to some extent, right? And then it'll maybe put your video somewhere up in here whenever somebody types in the low-key cycle review. So guys, those are going to be the best methods to finding a good product and just a way to go ahead and get ranked and to start making sales as soon as possible. But what I want to do now is I want to dive into the best method for getting traffic and getting a ton of sales and really starting to make good commissions with this method. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to head on over here to facebook.com, and obviously I'm going to keep using this product, the low-key cycle. And basically what this is it's all about crypto and basically how to make money with crypto. So the best method you can do is go and create a Facebook page. Now, I just want to show you the power of this. All I did was went and I did a little search of crypto, and then what you can do is you can then sort by groups, okay? And as you can see, there are a ton of members in each and every one of these groups. So if this is something you want to promote, go ahead and build yourself a Facebook group around crypto. So if we go and we look at this group, the thing is if you create this group, it's going to take some time to build up these Facebook groups, but once they get the ball rolling, Facebook will start promoting your group completely for free, because as you can see right here, they have a groups tab. So they're really pushing groups right now. So if you can get a Facebook group growing in a certain niche of whatever product you're trying to promote, you have the potential to make a ton of money. So basically what you're going to want to do is build a Facebook group, and then you're going to go and you're going to join a bunch of other groups within your category. So if it were me and I were going to promote this product, I would go and I would join every single one of these groups. I would start to be active in them. I would talk about it. I'd talk in each and every one of these groups, and I'd go ahead and I'd start adding friends. And the friends that I add within these groups, I would go ahead and I would invite them to my crypto page. Once they start coming into my crypto page, they like it, they join the group. After a few hundred friends or people that get inside your group, Facebook is going to start recommending your group to other people. You see it all the time on Facebook. You're being recommended groups all the time that Facebook thinks that you are going to like and want to join. So it's a really simple method. Go join every single one of these groups, okay? Be active. Just start talking in them, adding friends, being friendly with people, and then add them as friends on Facebook, and then invite them to your group. So that way you can build it up, and then organically your group starts to really explode. Now let's go back to this real quick. And what you're going to notice is that within these groups, you are going to be able to pin a certain post. Obviously, if you're the owner, at the very top, you can pin your very own post, which then goes back to an affiliate link to this product. Now, with that being said, I've got to mention that Facebook does not like Clickbank affiliate links by themselves at all and won't let you do that. So what I recommend is that once you build up your group, you start to get a following, you go ahead and you make a post on your group page. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to build out a YouTube video or a website or a landing page or something that leads people from the Facebook post to another website, and then you can lead them to your affiliate link. Okay, and once you start getting hundreds and thousands of people joining your group every day, you'll lead them to another website, which then will lead them to your affiliate link. So in review, guys, of this video, what you need to do, go on Clickbank, try to find a product that you are passionate about, that you could talk on. Go to Clickbank, use the methods that I showed you, go to CBSnooper.com, check that one out, see the rising products, be on the lookout. Maybe there aren't a whole lot of products to promote right now, but use that method, check on it daily, try to find a product that you can talk about. Once you do that, go ahead and start building out a Facebook group around that product. Get involved with other groups and start adding people, bringing them to your group, so then that way your Facebook group can start building organically. And then that is exactly how you are going to make your first $1,000 on Clickbank. That is my complete tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and smash that like button if you learned anything in this video. Then also, if you could do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as I post content daily on how to make money online. And like I said, if you're looking to build a full-time automated business, go down in the description below, click that very first link, and that is exactly the steps I'm taking to build a $10,000 a month business. Other than that, guys, we will see you all tomorrow.